Also breaking now, big coronavirus developments. We know you have a lot of questions, and we've been working all day to get you answers.
We have team coverage as a fourth person is diagnosed with the virus here in the Chicago area. We begin with CBS 2's Vince Gerasole. He is live at the Thompson Center, where we're learning more about the patients. Vince.
Erica, in addition to this fourth case, we are also learning from the governor today that there are 286 Illinois citizens who are undergoing testing and monitoring for possible exposure to coronavirus. As he did his best to put those numbers into perspective, he also urged calm.
As it stands, the risk to the general public remains low.
Illinois' patient number 4 is a woman in her 70s who tested positive for COVID-19. She is now under at-home isolation and in good condition, according to the State Department of Public Health. She's married to patient number 3, a man also in his 70s who tested positive over the weekend and is now in isolation at Northwest Community Hospital. He's also said to be in good condition.
An emergency command center has been established within the hospital.
Doctors from Northwest Community Hospital are working with an on-site task force that includes infectious disease experts from the Centers for Disease Control, as well as personnel from the Illinois Department of Public Health.
All staff that have been identified as having had any contact with this patient have been notified and are undergoing testing and monitoring.
In cases this involves keeping healthcare workers at home who were in contact with the patients.
The Illinois Department of Public Health says there are currently 286 people in the state undergoing monitoring and twice-daily testing who may have been exposed. Elsewhere, as a precaution, Arlington Heights School District 25 is notifying families that 2 workers and 2 students from 4 different schools have been asked to stay at home. Each may have had community contact with a hospital worker who might have been exposed to a positive patient. The governor reminds everyone Illinois' numbers remain low and urges calm.
I want to be clear that the best thing that the general public can do at this time is to continue taking the same precautions you take during flu season.
Now, the governor is saying that the state is not ready to release where this couple, patients 3 and 4, may have been in the past few days, who they may have had contact with, where they may have traveled in the state, or if they were on public transportation. That's all part of their detective work right now, as the state works to determine exactly what the level of threat might be here in the state of Illinois when it comes to coronavirus. Reporting live from the Thompson Center, I'm Vince Gerasole, CBS 2 News.